To the airport, drive. Make it quick. That accent kept me back long enough.
Is anyone hurt?
Step on it. I got a flight I gotta get to, I'm not missing that. Big job, you know?
Congratulations.
Thanks. You know, you have a very strange accent. Where you
Who was that?
It's nobody. Drive, can you put the window down, please? You ever had anything you wanted to do besides this?
No. But you did.
I mean, okay. I did have ideas. But reality isn't so kind. I actually want to have good things in life, you know? No offense. Take a look at this drive. That, my friend, is where it's at. That's just old friends.
Look closer.
I didn't know he got that. How did you know about this? Who are you?
No one.
You're a friend of his? Jesus. Drive. You turn the window back up. It's just getting really cool now. Look. If he said something about me, he doesn't understand, okay? Still have enough time anyways. Could go back and do that if I wanted.
No, you can't.
Dominic thinks he knows, but he doesn't. Doesn't matter. I'm leaving the country anyways.
No. You can't leave now.
Excuse? What are you talking about?
Robert, do you remember when you got in this taxi? Your bags are gone. There is no going to leave the country, Robert. You never left the crash. You're not going anywhere, Robert.
Stop. Stop the car. Stop. Stop the car. Stop the car! I have money I can pay you to turn around. Tell me what I can do to help to turn around, please. I don't want to go. What are you? Are you the devil or something?
No. I'm just here to take you across. Do you have the fee?